Welcome back to another SimpleVoIP University tutorial. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to use Smart PBX to update user and device names. We'll start by logging in to Smart PBX via the SimpleVoIP portal. Once in the dashboard, navigate to the Users tab on the left-hand side of the dashboard menu. Click on the username of any of the users you wish to update. From here, you can modify the name and credentials. You can change both of these fields as you see fit. Please note that you will need to type a new password for the user if you are making changes. You can update the username as a first and last name, such as restaurant manager or an employee name, or you can use a single name such as reception or office. For devices with the singular name, simply add the first name, click into the last name field, and press the spacebar once to create a blank space that will enable the last name field to remain blank. For updating device names, navigate to the Device tab and select the device name you wish to edit. Here, you can simply change the name of the device following the previous steps. Make sure to save your changes. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or are in need of further assistance, please reach out to SimpleVoIP support. We'll see you in the next SimpleVoIP University training tutorial.